Yes, so here I have my therapeutic garden. Yes, I did this for a school, so this is container gardening, my friend. We will have to come back to a time where we plan for ourselves and practice barter system. So here, I know it's bushed up, so this is thyme with scent. We have kale there, and there you go. What I do, I put a piece of canvas on the ground to reduce the weed, but I'm still having weeds. This is a tomato plant. So those on the line there are Scotch bonnet. So these are container where I formulate a soil. I use goat manure, which is the down, the feces of the goat, allow it to break down from humus to organic matter, and then I mix it at a ratio of 1 to 3. 1 organic matter, 1 part organic matter, and 3 parts soil, but the soil is not good enough, so I gotta add it. So these are the kale. Look, they're doing fabulous in the container. You see the feces? Yes, my friend. So listen to me. To get rid of this illusion of poverty, you don't have to have a big piece of land. Look, it's a small area, and look, it's tons of kale. You have kale where you could provide for your family, and also you could sell to make a living, or guess what, exchange. A man who plant something different, you could get an exchange. So those on the edges are Scotch bonnet pepper. Let me go near to the Scotch bonnet pepper. You see those blossom? Those are small tiny peppers. So here you go. All right, so here's one of the Scotch bonnet pepper. It's in these are polybugs. Look, here you have marigold, which is a plant which carry a pungent smell. The pungent smell of the plant repels insects, so it's a biological control where you don't have to use chemical. And we are going down here. We have what? Cinco Bible or aloe vera. So here you have the aloe vera. Yes, this is for removing toxic waste from outside of the body and give you a total detox. These are escallion because I said therapeutic. So most of these are scented plant. This is not doing so well here. This is rosemary. It's also a scented plant. Here we have lemongrass, which is known as the same as fever grass. Smelling good. So it's just like that. These are containers. What? You're doing what? You're doing environmental control when the waste tires that you would burn to create carbon monoxide, you get rid of them. So you're also contributing to what? The environmental control. You're saving the environment. You're not only saving yourself, my friend. You gotta put back your hand in the soil. Here we have what? Here I have spinach. It's running on the fence. So let me go closer to the spinach. So there you go, they bear purple seeds. Yes, my friend. So this documentary, this is the end of the documentary, because what I want you to know that it's an illusion for you to be broke. Every day people passing this, they're not picking a few seeds, they're not eating a few leaves. This spinach carries the highest percentage of iron. My friend, it's an illusion. It's an illusion that you're poor and broke. Yeah, the coconuts are out here. I'm saying to you, knowledge of the true virgin. Yes, we in Jamaica, we have everything. We have the mist. We have the mist with the mountain. Yes, we have it all. We have the birds out here. We have the cornfield over there. Yes, my friend, put back your hand in the soil and get away from the illusion that you're poor, you're broke. It's a mindset. Have yourself a beautiful day. Peace and love.